This is our Trimos tool precision instrument. Model is Trimos Optima Basic. Now I am going to start this instrument. I will give you here user name and password. After entering password, it will ask to set 0 of both axes, Z and X axis. So for that we require one small setting gauge, setting master. That setting master I will put in the pocket of instrument, and I will focus the setting master. After setting that, by this fine adjustment, I will adjust the image in this image screen. After setting this image, I will just say OK, OK, and again OK. It will set the size of this setting general master, setting master. The size of setting master is X 30 mm and Z 91.311. Now by doing this 0 setting, we have done the initialization of instrument. Now the instrument is ready to measure or set any tool. We are going to check this multi-cutting edge tool. For this multi-cutting edge tool is of BT40 and our basic pocket is of BT50. So now we require one reduction sleeve with outer BT50 and inner BT40. So first I will put this sleeve in the pocket, and afterwards I will put this tool in the pocket in this sleeve, and then I will go here and select this BT40 sleeve. So after selecting this, I will focus one of the cutting edge of this tool. After focusing, I will just adjust it in the fourth quadrant of this screen. Then we will go for this measuring function, height and diameter. After focusing this, as I want to measure multi-cutting edge, so I will go with this multi-cutting edge symbol and we enter here 4, because our multi-cutting edge is having 4 cutting edges. So I enter 4 here and will say run. Then I will just rotate this tool. This is our first edge. Now second edge, third edge and fourth edge. Now we got these 4 values for 4 different cutting edges, and it is showing maximum value 50.110, minimum value 50.037, run out 37, and for height for Z axis 85.413, 85.378, and run out for Z, that is 35 microns. This type of we can get this graph also for multi-cutting edge. To check this drill, the drill is of 9 mm. In this we will be able to check 2 cutting edges, angle of 2 cutting edges, height of the drill and diameter of the drill. I will put it in the sleeve and I will focus it. Now I will check for maximum height and diameter of this drill. Now it is showing diameter 9.081 and height 124.04. To get this cutting edge angle, we have to focus the tool like this and just rotate this so as to get the cutting edge angle. And now this is our cutting edge angle 120.07. This is our cutting edge angle. So like this we will be able to get height of the drill, diameter of the drill, then angle of cutting edges with this